All right, guys, so I was supposed to do the drawing for the giveaways last weekend, and I apologize. This is coming in late. We went out of town, for those of you who follow me. So it's been... Alright, so let's get to picking the winners. We have several prizes that we're giving away. I do want to give a shout out to Anne Transu. Yeah, she was in Crystal's 500 giveaway winner. Your package, I don't know if you watched me or not, but your package came back to me, and I'm going to have to reship it. I went and did it on the scales at the post office, but it came back saying I did not have enough postage. So it was not because you gave me the wrong address. You did give me the correct address. It came back to me and I have to reship it. And the package was semi-torn in the process, so I have to just repackage the whole thing. As far as I know, everybody else got their packages that got shipped out, so I am going to resend that. Sue, your stitch markers are going to be shipped out this week as well. Like I said, we were out of town all week, so I obviously didn't do anything while I was out of town. Which is why you're seeing a lot of the retro videos as opposed to the regular videos that I post. And if those of you are interested in the retro videos, what those are videos that I have compiled together from the Raw channel that I started. I know some of you didn't get to see it. You were not members of that channel, so this is just a way of me preserving it and letting you guys get a chance to see the ones maybe that you didn't do. So it's a compilation of anywhere from 4 to 6 videos. I try to make them like within an hour, less than an hour. So if you're interested in that. But anyway, so let's get to doing some giveaways. All right, for the 9/11 winners, we are filtering duplicate users. Okay, there were 39 unique comments. And my tablet is slow, so it's running through. Who's gonna stop on? Who is gonna be the winner? Nancy Thomas. All right, my first one was with JFK was shot. I was in grade school in '63. Second, I believe, was Martin Luther King Jr. being shot in '68. Then the Kent State shootings, sniper in the Bill Tower in 1970. 1973, her mom passed. Oh, I'm so sorry. I understand. Mine passed in '94. I was 19, newly married, 2 months. January of '89, Los Angeles major earthquake. 98, Clinton was impeached. Wow, she had a lot of stuff on here. Well, congratulations, Nancy Thomas. You won the 9/11 giveaway. So for the 9/11 giveaway, what I was going to do was you get your choice of whether you would like a kit. I will show you guys what it is as soon as I can pull it out here. Let me pause you for a second. Okay, so you can have a choice of whether you want this Millennium Kit. It's for the year 2000. It's got all the wonderful things that the United States is known for. Or you could have a choice of getting 4 skeins of red, white, and blue yarn. That's my daughter. Y'all got to look at this. Is she not precious? When she was little. Anyway, Nancy, so yeah, so that's your choice of what you get to win. You can either choose the complete cross-stitch Millennium Kit. It is a counted cross-stitch kit. It is 17.5 by 17.5. So yeah. So let me know whether you want the cross-stitch kit or you want the 4 skeins of yarn. And then I will throw a couple of extra goodies in there too, because that was a very important day for all of us, it being a 20-year anniversary. All right, so I will tell you guys at the end of the video what you need to do in order to collect your winnings. All right, now for the winner of the cross-stitch kit giveaway. Let's get the comments. There were 48 unique comments. And what you had to do was you had to tell me what was the main focus in the kit. Wendy's stitching. Hi, congratulations, Wendy. You haven't won anything from me in a while. I've been cross-stitching for 36 years. I love cottages. Wouldn't it be fun to stay in this cottage and stitch? Yes, ma'am, it would. Congratulations, Wendy. Like I said, you guys need to stay till the end, and most of you already know what you need to do to gather your winnings, but stay to the end and I will let you know. Okay, now let's give away that yummy cookbook. Let's see how many comments. 44 unique comments on the cookbook. And you just had to tell me what you like to cook, pretty much. Tony Grandin. Congratulations, Tony. Sadly, when Kraft macaroni and cheese changed, took stuff out, it tasted like crappy. Now, sadly, I used to love it, but now I make my own with canned cheese and elbow small noodles. Now I can, per 1 cup of noodles, cook up noodles to almost soft. We like our noodles a little firm still, which is al dente. You may cook noodles till soft if needed. Drain it off. Pour a can of cheese into the noodles. Stir a perfect mac and cheese. We shall never buy from Kraft again, sadly. It almost tastes like KFC mac and cheese. Yeah, KFC mac and cheese, when I ate stuff like that, it is very blah. And I'll tell you, Tony, the reason why your macaroni and cheese changed with Kraft was because they used to put MSG in it, and that was a flavor enhancer, which caused everybody to really, really like it. That's why people are addicted to Doritos, Cheetos, and Cheez-Its, and let's see, what's another one that's got MSG in it? Oh goodness, I'm trying to remember what the other thing is. It's really, oh, ranch dressing. Most, if not all, ranch dressings, except I try to look at the ingredients, but Hidden Valley especially has MSG in it, and that's why they changed it. They took it out. But even though it doesn't taste like it used to, the MSG made it taste better, but it's good that they took it out, only because MSG is not good for your health. It kills your brain cells. Yeah, so that's in some of my retro videos. I think I talk about MSG in those. But anyway, congratulations, Tony. You guys know what to do. Just wait till the end of the video to collect your winnings. All right, now on to the wood burning. The wood burning pamphlets that I offered you guys to see if you were interested in possibly wanting those. There are 20 unique comments. You just had to let me know that you were interested in the wood burning pamphlets. Deborah Lawson. Hi, I love your loofahs. I would definitely make different flowers. Really cool. Well, she did not say she was interested in getting the wood, so we're going to pick another winner, because you had to tell me you were interested in getting the wood pamphlets. So it picked her again. Well, look at there. Let's try that one more time. There weren't that many people that entered for this one. Why does it keep picking Deborah? Deborah, they must really want, it must really want you to, there we go. All right, Edward Bambico? I hope I didn't butcher that. I'm sure I did. Awesome. I did wood burning on cutting and I can't read that word. Boards. Always looking for inspiration. Thanks. All right. Well, congratulations, Edward. You won those wood burning pamphlets to give you inspiration and ideas. That's awesome that you're interested in that. So we are going to put you down, and then next but not least, we are going to go ahead and pick the knit and crochet. Yeah, the books. Hold on just a moment. All right, for the crochet knit giveaway, I am doing this one different. You had to say the word knit if you wanted to be in on the knit, and then you needed to say yarn if you wanted to be in on the crochet. You had the opportunity to enter both as long as you had 2 different comments. So instead of filtering, because we're going to not filter duplicate users because you could enter more than once, I'm going to Let's see, where's it at? Filter comments based on a specific text. Okay, so you had to say knit if you were interested in the knit. So let's get the comments for that. There were 33 that entered who were interested in the knit. So let's start and see who won for the knit part of this giveaway. Apple Pecan Sews. You are so versatile with your giveaways. I have recently learned to knit, and believe me, I have plenty of yarn to use for knitting and crocheting. Well, congratulations. That's awesome. Let me write her down. This is for knit. Now, because these were patterns, it was open worldwide. So let's write her down because I don't want to forget who won these. Apple Pecan Sews. Okay, she got the knit. Okay, and so for the crochet, you had to say the word yarn. Now you could win both of these. If your name comes up again, if you entered both, you could win both. All right, so let's get the comments with the word yarn. There were 58 people that entered that had the word yarn. So let's see who won the crochet. Sherry Anderson. I live yarn. I think she probably said, she lives yarn. The more, the better. Well, you know, we all need to live by that. And we're going to live our yarn. Sherry Anderson, congratulations, Sherry. Be sure you guys pay attention to the end. And I'm going to tell you how you can collect your winnings. Yay! That's awesome. All right, guys. So I want to say congratulations to all the winners. I think that's awesome. Those of you who may or may not know, oh, Maddie's talking in the background. Hold on, just so congratulations to the winners. Let's see, who do we get? I'm looking at the wrong page. I had to write everybody's name down. So we got Edward, Tony, Apple Pecan Sews, Sherry or Cherie, Wendy and Nancy. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners, 6 giveaway winners. So that's why you're getting this all at once. Oh, sorry. So congratulations, guys. So what you need to do is you need to email me at young40mom@gmail.com. It will be in the description box below. I will see if I can put it up here or over here somewhere. I am so sorry. I just got through eating. And you need to put in the subject line winner, W-I-N-N-E-R. Make sure you put winner. You can put anything else you want, but do winner because that way I can do a search. So if it goes in my spam, it'll find you. So yeah, and as soon as I get that, I will ship those out. I have got giveaways coming up this week. I'm going to get back on track now that we're back in town. I've been working on some stuff. I went to a cute little shop. I wish I'd videoed it. I wasn't even thinking, to be honest with you, when I went into this cute little shop over there on Kings Highway in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It is an independent shop. But anyway, I'll tell you more about that later. This is long enough, short, sweet, to the point. My hair is disarrayed because I washed and dried it, so it has a mind of its own when I do that. So congratulations, guys. I will see about putting maybe a few of my TikToks at the end of here. If you guys are interested in TikToks, I do questions of the day. It has nothing to do with crafting, but maybe one day it will. I don't know. If I do that, if I do a TikTok crafting channel, it's gonna be different. It's gonna be yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just gonna leave that to my YouTube. I have a better following, although I'm up to over 600 people following me on TikTok right now. It's kind of exciting and interesting. You can do lives, I think, after you get like 800 or 1,000 followers. Then you can start doing lives on there, which is really cool. And people can interact with you and donate while you're on there. All kinds of stuff on there. So it's really cool. But anyway, so yeah, if you're interested in that, it'll be in the description box below, all my information. But yeah, be looking. The new giveaway is going to be going up this week. I am going to do, I think, another cookbook that seemed to be pretty popular. I have quite a few, as you guys know. When I changed my eating lifestyle, I no longer have needs for these books, and they're brand new. They've never been cracked open. I've never had a chance to try them. But yeah, so be looking for all that. I'll explain all that in those videos. But I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching, participating, being part of my life. I appreciate each and every one of you, especially the personal messages that I get in my email. So you know who you are. Thank you.